I love using ChatGPT for lots of things, especially when it comes to helping to make my life easier in the library. I'll admit it, I'm not great at writing book reviews. I get so into the book that I'm like, want to tell everybody everything. But a lot of the time, people don't want everything. We're trying to put them on book talkers or give a kid a brief summary of what's going on. This is where AI can really help you. It has made my life so much easier. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to generate book summaries for students. I go into more depth in my article in School Library Journal about exactly how to do this, but I'm just going to show you a prompt or two that you can use. Now, remember, when you are generating these prompts, you want to think about a few things. You want to consider the book you want to summarize and the grade level for your students. So, if you are writing a book for an elementary level student that you want the student to say, read that description, then you might want to put in the grade level of the that you want to write that for. Um, you want to also figure out exactly how long do you want the summary. Do you want it to be 2 sentences? Do you want it to be 1 sentence? How long do you want it to be? Um, Also, I suggest putting the title and the author's name in because it helps ChatGPT make sure that the book is you're looking at the right book. Also, make sure when you're looking at it, sometimes ChatGPT does hallucinate. So make sure that when you look at the summary, it is for the correct book. But here is the summary I'm going to help you show you for a prompt for an elementary school book. So write, and then I'm going to write, and then you would put in the number of sentences. I'm going to say a 2-sentence. Summary for the book Charlotte's Web by E.B. White that will be appealing to elementary school students. Make it fun and heartwarming to entice them to read the book. And then you could say something like, make it on a 4th grade reading level. And then, as you see here, it comes up with a really good little blurb. Charlotte's Web is a heartwarming story about a little pig named Wilbur and his clever spider friend Charlotte, who writes amazing messages in her web to save him from becoming dinner. This tale of friendship and bravery on a fun farm adventure will make you cheer for Wilbur and love every moment. It's great. It's written at about a 4th grade reading level so that kids can understand it. Easy to do and a great way to do things. I'm going to give you one more. Here's one for high school students on To Kill a Mockingbird. So we're going to say 3-sentence summary of the book To Kill a Mockingbird for high school students. Make it intriguing and thought-provoking, enticing them to read. Make it on a 9th grade reading level. So it says here, To Kill a Mockingbird follows Scout Finch as she grows up in the racially divided town of Maycob, Alabama in the 1930s. Her father, Atticus, is a lawyer who bravely defends an innocent Black man accused of a terrible crime, challenging the town's deep-seated prejudices. This powerful and thought-provoking story explores themes of justice, morality, and the loss of innocence. This is a must-read for anyone interested in understanding human nature and social justice. So easy to do and just will change how you do things. I use them all the time, and to make book talkers that I then put under the book. And I'm telling you, when I did this, when I used ChatGPT and I made the book talkers and I put them out, the books went out so much quicker than they ever did before. And I asked students, why did you check out this book? And they said, oh, that little summary made me want to read it. Do it. It makes your life so much better.